Hello, everyone. In this video, we'll create an MM1 Q simulation in Python using ChatGPT and Visual Studio Code. By the end, you'll know how to generate, run, and analyze your own simulation code with the help of AI. MM1 is a simple queuing model. Arrivals follow an exponential distribution. Services are exponential, and we have a single server. We'll simulate this process, track performance metrics, and understand the system behavior. Why use ChatGPT? Writing simulation code from scratch can be time-consuming. AI allows us to focus on understanding the logic while letting ChatGPT generate a well-structured starting point for our Python program. Let's start by setting up Visual Studio Code. Open VS Code, create a new Python file named mm1_simulation.py, and make sure Python is installed and configured in your system. Next, we'll use ChatGPT to generate the code. Here's the prompt we'll use. Write a Python program to simulate an m/m/1q with lambda equals 7 and mu equals 9, simulating 4,000 customers with a warm-up of 300. Track and print WQ, utilization, average queue length, and the queue length distribution as a vertical table with probabilities rounded to 5 significant digits. Paste this prompt into ChatGPT and let it generate the code. Once you have the code, copy it into your Python file in VS Code. Before running the code, take a moment to review it. Notice how arrivals and departures are handled using a future event list and how statistics like time in system and time in queue are calculated. Now, save the file and run the program using the terminal by typing Python MM1_simulation.py. The results show key metrics: average time in system, average waiting time in queue, server utilization, and the probability of different queue lengths. Compare the utilization with the theoretical value of lambda/mu, which is about 0.777. Look at the queue length distribution table. It tells us the probability of having 0, 1, 2, or more customers in the queue at any given time. Feel free to experiment. Change lambda or mu in the code to see how performance changes. You can even ask ChatGPT for improvements, like adding histograms of WQ or queue length. By completing this exercise, you connect your understanding of queuing theory with a working Python simulation, while also learning how AI can accelerate and simplify complex tasks. If you need help or have any questions, reach out to me by email or phone. Happy coding, and keep experimenting with AI-powered simulations.